next time just grab that thing. It will help. Maybe especially, I don't know if it's going to get through this.
This is Chicago after the snowstorm. This is just one of the many metropolitan suburbs around Chicago, and it was very hard to get this work done. The disaster affected basically every house in the neighborhood, but many people overreacted, causing them to freak out. Many people overstocked on food, water, and not knowing it, the people who should have stocked up, thinking that today they could have, really couldn't have. Today was Groundhog Day, and all the local grocery stores were closed. This disaster was actually a little bit of fun, caused a lot of trouble, and it's still affecting Chicago as I speak. Thank you for listening to this video and watching it. This was filmed on a Flip Ultra HD camera, and it's a very good product. So, I'm not product endorsing, but I am saying this is something that was worth buying this for. To film the natural disaster that is Blizzard 2011.